station engineer and I am the station doctor here. Today is 18 July 2017. We had experienced heavy blizzards yesterday. Blizzard is nothing but wind speed more than 33 knots and with visibility less than 1 kilometer, and the duration is continuously for 4 hours. So today we had experienced a little bit of blizzard since morning, and now it's around 40 knots, that is approximately 80 kilometers per hour. And we're just going to show you outside how does it look in Antarctica, when you are here for the winters, and we just want you to experience how it looks. And there may be a little bit of whiteout phenomena, but we cannot say it as a perfect whiteout. Anyways, let's just go out and let's see how it looks. Please join me. As you see, this is Larseman Hills. That's our station engineer there. You can see how heavy the snow. There is a little bit of snowfall, and the wind is too much, almost 80 kilometers per hour. And I would like you to take a look at the helipad. I hope you guys can see the light, and I think you can see the speed of the wind also.
Maybe.
This is our surrounding, and we had a little bit of mountains. Yeah, ma'am, this is our Manglamani ma'am.
Hi.
She's a member. She's the only female member in our station right now.
Yeah.
So here it is.
Enjoy the most climate here. Yeah, thank you, doctor. Allow me to join you.
No problem, ma'am. Please, you're welcome.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys. Visibility is actually not so clear. That's why it may be a little difficult for you guys to see. It has become dark also. We have just completed our polar nights, and we have entered into the polar days. But as such, there is no sun for now.
Cloudy.
And, please, I would like you to see the surroundings.
Come on, doctor, jump. One jump. No jump.
Yeah, guys, this is what Antarctica really is. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more videos, which I am about to post in my future. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.